Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This flagship device promises to set new standards in the smartphone world, but does it live up to the hype? The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a sleek, modern look with its seamless glass and metal build. It's available in an array of stunning colors: titanium gray, titanium black, titanium violet, titanium blue, titanium green, and an all-new titanium orange. The phone feels premium in hand, and the curved edges give it a sophisticated touch. On the front, we have a massive 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED display with a 3200 by 1440 resolution. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and with a 120Hz refresh rate, everything feels buttery smooth. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or just browsing, this screen is a visual delight. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the latest Exynos 2400 processor, depending on your region, coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM. This combination ensures lightning-fast performance, even with the most demanding apps and games. Multitasking is a breeze, and you'll never experience any lag. Display performance benchmarks and multitasking. The S24 Ultra features a quad-camera setup on the back. The star of the show is the 200MP primary sensor, accompanied by a 12MP ultra-wide, a 50MP periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Samsung's advanced AI ensures stunning photos in any lighting condition, with incredible detail and dynamic range. The front camera is no slouch either, with a 12MP sensor for sharp and vibrant selfies. Plus, it supports 4K video recording, perfect for vloggers and selfie enthusiasts. Battery life is another area where the S24 Ultra shines. With a 5000 mAh battery, you can easily get through a full day of heavy usage. And when you do need to charge, the 45W fast charging gets you back to full power in no time. Plus, there's 15W wireless charging for your accessories. On the software side, the S24 Ultra runs on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14. It's smooth, intuitive, and packed with features to enhance your productivity and entertainment experience. Samsung DeX allows you to use your phone as a desktop computer, and the S Pen support, carried over from the Note series, adds another layer of functionality. Security is top-notch with an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and facial recognition. Your data is safe with Samsung Knox, providing defense-grade security. So, is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra worth it? Absolutely. With its stunning display, powerful performance, versatile cameras, and all-day battery life, it's a powerhouse that's hard to beat. If you're looking for the best of the best in the smartphone world, the S24 Ultra should be at the top of your list. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our future uploads. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.